In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create catalog in Shopify. Full tutorial 2025. By the end, you'll have a clean catalog page and a menu link so customers can find it easily from your storefront. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. On the left sidebar, open Online Store, then go to Pages. This is where you'll create the catalog page that your visitors will see. Click Add Page to make a new one. For the title, type Highlight. That's the name we'll use for this catalog in this walkthrough, and it's what will appear in your navigation later. You can rename it any time if you prefer a different label like Catalog or Shop. If you want, add a short description or hero text in the content area to set expectations, but that's optional. Now click Save to create the page. A quick tip. Make sure the page visibility is set to visible if you're ready to publish. Otherwise, keep it hidden until you're finished styling. Next, we're going to wire this page into your site navigation so shoppers can reach it in one click. From the sidebar, you may see sections like Products and Orders. Keep navigating until you reach Content. Inside Content, open Menus. This is where Shopify manages your main navigation. Click Main Menu to edit the links that appear at the top of your store. Choose Add Menu Item. For the name, type Highlight to match the page title you created. In the link field, search for and select the highlight page you just saved. When you see the matching result, click it to confirm. You'll return to the main menu editor where you can drag the item if you want to reorder it. When it looks good, click Save to publish the menu update. If you plan to support your catalog with additional content, you can open blog posts to draft helpful articles and revisit products to make sure your items, images, and pricing are ready for shoppers who land on your catalog. Finally, preview your demo store to confirm the new highlight link appears in the main navigation and that it opens the correct page. If a save prompt appears during this process, click Save to finalize. That's it. You created a dedicated catalog page, linked it to your main menu, and verified it on your storefront. As next steps, consider adding images, sections, or featured collections to the page using your theme editor, and update SEO settings for a clearer search result. When your